I'm going to be installing security strike plates. It makes it a lot more stronger than what's usually on your door, and these are pretty thick. But this is what I got right now. These guys, and they got itty bitty screws in them, but that's all that's really holding it. But once we're gonna get this on there, and then you'll have all this room, and it'll be into the Jack King studs. So that's next. First of all, this is where the, make sure where the latch catch right here and your deadbolt, we're gonna mark right where they hit. Not too much right there. Put a mark up here. A little line right there. Because when this goes in, then we could put the line there to there. And then here's another little trick we'll do. Okay. Okay, so we can line those lines up. Now let's get these guys out of here. Hey, these are little tiny ones too. Let's just see now. Oh, there we go, it even lines up. Perfect. We'll line up our little lines. I'm only getting through this first part. This, you don't want to crack this. Once it's gonna, after it's gonna grab those 2x4s back there. Okay, that one sucked right in there. Let's see what that does. Damn, that's even better. So what we're gonna do, put the rest in, let's put these guys in. You ain't breaking this thing off the door. Oh, that's even tighter. Kick that in. I mean, not like anybody's been kicking in our door, but you see, compared to a regular door, it has, these are into the, there's two other big studs back here. Now they're going way on in, so if you had just one of these, see how easy that'd be? I mean, easier than, you know, the normal ones. Like that. I'm replacing these two. The whole house is gonna get everywhere. Anyway, for now, until we'll get to the next one, we'll just fly through it. When the door closes, the little latch thing will hit in here, so I gotta make sure this is straight up, because we're gonna make this line over there match the doors. So I'm gonna do to all of these real quick. So this one is next. So we'll do like the other one and mark where the door catches right here. Put a little mark right there. Put a little mark up there. That way when I do that, then I'll know that this is be the edge, because this is a level with this. I mean this side. Get these guys out of here. Now we get our strike plate. That's line too. Well, that one's go right in. That one. So it doesn't want to really go like that too good. So get your little chisel bob here. Okay, let's try that. I just made a little indentation there, so where it's gonna go. So that's where the knob goes. And that's where it's going to hit there. See, we're lined up there. And we push that in, we'll be lined up there. So let's tap this guy in. Actually, I'm not even going to have to hold it. I could just test it right there. Actually, I want it a little more tighter. I want it to be a little more firm, so we're going to move it. We should move it in a little bit. And let's give that a shot. So, see what happens. See how tight it is. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, actually, that's nice and tight. These are the 3-inch ones. Holy cats. Just putting 2. This alone probably hold up. That alone will probably do the trick, but we're going to put a bunch more for the purpose of it being a security. Oh yeah. So they're all going in now. Scared to break it, like I said. And these are nice tips. Bam! Kick that sucker. Amazing. This one, just a first shot, it went right on. Pretty smooth. Well, this little project is all done now. Got all of the doors. Security strike plate. Sweet. Well, that'll wrap up another one. All right, you have a good one. This is the quickest dinner ever. Here we go. Cauliflower, but what we're gonna do, put some serranos on it. Put a little meat on the vegetarian thing. That's about right. And a little bit of cheese. 4 cheese blend. Sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of chili oil. Okay. It's ready.
Tyrell Biggs. In November,
Slide her in.
undefeated boxers took place. The Mike Tyson and Olympic champion Tyrell Biggs to the
All right, let's see. Timer, let's say 3:15, we'll look at it. Almost 5 minutes in. It's getting there.
You can't win wearing a sweater like that. It's ugly no matter what you look at.
Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Oops. Whoa, baby. Put her down right there.
Perfect. Oh, wow. We could see fireworks here. Tom Ferris movie had a bus draw for Cunningham with a gunshot. Well, theoretically, we should see fireworks. Action is on Mule. Amazing.
All that needs red pepper on there.
I wouldn't be surprised if we check right now. What do you think? Well, he was beginning to
There we go.
Myself, but that's the Andrew play this game. And Madison gets out of the way, and now Antonius costs.
Delicious. Y'all have a good day now. Thanks again for watching. All right, later.